Leica UK and we're taking a first look at the brand new M11. This is the latest model in Leica's iconic M rangefinder series, and it comes with some really significant updates. So although it looks almost exactly the same as the previous model, it has a completely new sensor. This is a 60 megapixel BSI, backside illuminated full frame sensor, and it's got a good trick where it can record at multiple raw resolutions, so you can output files at smaller sizes, which can be more useful in terms of taking up less space and being easier to process. In terms of design, it's very similar to previous M models because Leica likes to keep this continuity, but it has a few differences, some of which are very nice little tweaks. So we have, instead of a removable base plate, a battery that just pops out underneath very easily. The SD card fits into the base, and then the battery just pops in again, nice and easy. This camera also has a USB-C port on here, and this will allow you to wire into an Apple iPhone, and this will give you the opportunity to use Leica's Photos app for sharing your images. The camera obviously also has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in for connecting and sharing your images with both Apple and Android phones. On the back, we can see that the camera has got a nice large screen, and this is a touchscreen. So we can switch the camera into live view, we can show menus and change settings just by tapping on the screen. So it's a very neat way of being able to change secondary settings quickly without having to mess around with other buttons. So it's a very interesting new camera. It's got a high resolution sensor, it's got lots of new connectivity options. Check our full review at amateurphotographer.com to find out all about it.